Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you all how I created this Disney character castle tapestry. I saw this on Pinterest and I just knew that I had to recreate it, and yeah.
Voices in my head know me, call me. I will be restless. Somehow they chose me. This is my nightlife. Wanna be high life. I feel so reckless. Calling them all night. It's the freedom I shouldn't have, with the people I shouldn't know. I might as well have still on that. It's the only thing that I fucking do.
Here I'm just showing you guys a few things that I'm using in my DIY, and I will link everything in the link bar down below so you guys can go check that out.
I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on.
Here I have some silhouettes that I printed out from Google, and all I had to type into Google was silhouettes, Disney princesses, Disney characters, and I will soon transform them into stencils. So as you can see here, I cut out all of the silhouettes and I turned them into stencils. So this is what I'm going to use to create all of the characters onto the tapestry. And now I'm just simply taking the sheet out of the little baggie it comes in. And I do recommend putting something underneath your tapestry as you're working on it so that the paint doesn't transfer onto the floor.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest.
And if you look closely, you will catch a wild Milo. I put the sheet over the floor and I didn't realize he was right under me, and he just stayed under. He's so smart. Ray, you're so smart.
And here I pinned the tapestry a little bit so that I can cut a few inches off. Inches, I don't really know. I freehand this, I didn't measure anything, I just wanted a little bit off because I realized the tapestry was a little too big for my wall.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow.
So as you can see, weirdly, my tapestry is almost done. So yeah, my camera started acting funny, so I just stopped filming it. And I do show you a few things that I did just to show you how I did it. So I put down a Mickey stencil, and then I took the little brush, dipped it into the paint, and I did patting motions. instead of like dragging it all the way across, I just patted it, patted it, patted it.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely.
And then ta-da, you have a Mickey. And here I'm going to do the same exact thing with the princess. I'm just going to pat it all across the little stencil. And I do recommend making sure that your stencil is dry on the opposite side that you're putting on top of the tapestry, because there was a few times where it was still wet and I have little blotches on my tapestry. But you know, it's okay. It didn't have to be perfect. And then bibbidi bobbidi boo, there is Cinderella. I'm extra, let me stop. So here I just put triangles on top of every beginning of each part of the castle, just so you can see like the shape of the castle a little bit better. Whenever I noticed little areas that didn't have anything, I would put stars, like little fireworks. You can see a little bit right here. And yeah, I just put like little things just to add in the space.
See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
So here was the fun part. I added this spray glitter to my tapestry. I thought it was already beautiful, but adding the glitter made it a lot more prettier in my opinion. So I had my boyfriend come outside with me and spray it. Well, he mostly sprayed it because I was afraid I was going to mess it up. But yeah, so the glitter just sprays right on and sticks very well. It transfers a little bit, but not anything too crazy.